Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this device. First, we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the down button to scroll down, select the settings option and then press the start button to enter. Now, scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons, select the option called System and then press the start button. Here, scroll down, select the time option, press the start button, and now scroll down, select the set time. As you can see, it's on auto, but we need to press the start button, select manual, and press the start button again. And once you select it, or rather change it to manual, you will see the time option. You can scroll down, select it, and now we can press the start button, and we can adjust the time. To do it, simply use the up and down buttons to set the hour, like this, then press the start button to jump to minutes, change the minutes, and then press the start button to jump to AM or PM. And once you're done, press the start button, and again to confirm. And the time changed, as you can see. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you change the time on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.